Only got a couple darts left. No more darts. I need to get another gun. Okay, I have no more ammo. I need to find another gun. There's one there. Okay, I need to put some attachments on there. Okay, I got this fully modded. Kid! I'm gonna reload. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I got no ammo. Ah! 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 Oh! Oh! I need to get out of it. I have no guns. This is the extract.